Hi guys, welcome to day 3 of the 30 days Microsoft Excel training online. So today we'll be looking at basic arithmetic operation that can be performed or that you can do in Microsoft Excel. So we'll be looking at the following operations. That is plus, we'll be looking at subtraction, multiplication, forward slash, power, module, sum, average, concatenation, then some time functions. So let's say we want to do addition. So basically, for you to perform arithmetic operation in Microsoft Excel, it always starts with equal to sign. Equal to sign is very important. Without an equal sign, so it's just as if you are just writing a number in a cell. So you have equal sign 2 plus 3, which will be equal to 5. So but instead of us writing like this, let me just put the two numbers inside this cell. I have 3, then let's say we have 5 here, we have 3 here. So now let's say equal to, we have these 2 plus E3, so equal to, we have 8. That's addition. Then for subtraction, let me try to drag this down, so I have the same number, then drag this down. Alright, so for subtraction we have 5 minus 3, which will be equal to 2. For multiplication we do the same thing, equal to 5, then we are using asterisk 3, which will be equal to 15. Then for division we use equal to 5 forward slash 3 be equal to 1.67. Then for power, I be 5 carries 3. That is 5 raised to power 3, which will be equal to 125. Then for module is you have a module is a function which is O and 0D module 5. That's the number. Then divisor. So normally module is, it will return the number after a division. So if you divide a number by each other, the remainder is what module will be returned to you. So you have this, and you have 2. So it means if you divide 5 by 2, what do you get? You get 1, then you have 2 remaining. So you have module function will return a reminder after a division. So these are some of the basic operations that you can do with Microsoft Excel. So now let's look at the sum. How does the sum work? Let's say we want to add all this. Let me try to delete this one because I might not use it here. Alright, imagine you have all this value, you want to know the sum. Of course, Excel will always give you the sum underneath where the mouse is here. Under this place you can easily know the sum. That's a way to know maybe the sum of the number you're working with if you don't really need to write it down. But now I want to know the sum of all these numbers that is here. So I can use, there's a function called sum function, which is why I write equal to sum, then open brackets. So basically sum will tell you the number, so you select the number you want to add. So you are starting from this, so you can say sum of this and this, so which is 10. But what happens is, what if I want to sum all this line together? Will I be writing 5D, D4, of course you will get your answer, but that is not the best way. So what you can do is, so you have 5D, just write the first line. You can use your mouse to select, so you use your mouse to select. So we have D full column, D2 full column, D7. So if you press enter, you get 30. But what if I want to add everything here together? It's very simple. So just delete this, then you you just use your mouse to select all the value you're trying to sum together, then close the brackets. You get 201.669. So the addition of what you are seeing down here is the same thing what you're having here. So that's how the addition work. So let's look at the median. We have median of all this number put together, column, then you have 4. So if you try to use your calculator to compute this, you will get 4. So what about the average? So to calculate average, you use the function called average of, you select the number. If it's just 2 columns, you're trying to find average, all the 3 columns. So you just select the numbers you're trying to find the average from, then close the bracket, then press enter. So the average of this number is 11.2037. So that is how this arithmetic generally work.